Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install JOI application. So let's get started. First, launch Open Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in JOI and perform your search. Now tap on JOI Live Video Chat option. Tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. It might take a while to download this app. And this is how you can install JOI application. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.